almost got scammed by a fake brand collab. And here is what happened. I was so happy when I got a collab email from a keyboard brand called Varmilo. I thought my videos had finally got a brand's attention. They even sent me a media kit and said I will find all the details in the kit. I opened it, nothing strange happened, and I thought everything was fine. I was very happy. I even began planning how and where I had filmed the video. Now, the main part. While I was still talking with them over those 2 to 3 days, I got another collab mail, and this time it was from Nikon, a camera brand. Similarly, they have sent me a media kit, but when I downloaded their media kit, the antivirus on my laptop kept deleting it right away. That is when I realized something was wrong. Without any further delay, I asked ChatGPT for help. And that's when I found out the emails were not from the real brands.
The domains were fake and those files were most likely dangerous.
I was sad because I thought it was a real chance, but also thankful. My antivirus and ChatGPT actually saved me from a scam. So, if you are a small creator like me, always check the sender's email, confirm on the official site, and never trust random file links. I almost got scammed, but ChatGPT saved me just in time.